Monsoon safety in industries, hidden risks workplaces often ignore during rainy season. Every year, industries prepare for monsoon. Yet every year, many workplaces continue to experience the same incidents. Workers slip on wet surfaces, vehicles lose traction, electrical systems fail, water enters places it shouldn't. The surprising part: most of these incidents don't happen because of the rain. They happen because of the risks the rain exposes. When we think about monsoon safety, we usually think about rain. But in reality, rain is only the trigger. The real danger comes from workplace conditions that become more hazardous once the rainy season begins. Today, let's look at some of the hidden risks industries often ignore and what organizations can do to prevent them. Hidden risk. 1. Poor drainage. A partially blocked drain may not seem like a major concern during summer, but after a few hours of heavy rainfall, that same drain can create waterlogging, disrupt vehicle movement, damage equipment, and create slip hazards. Many monsoon incidents begin with something as simple as standing water. The best time to inspect drainage systems is before the rain arrives. Hidden risk. 2. Poor housekeeping. During monsoon, even a small puddle can become a workplace incident. Rainwater, mud, wet footwear, and debris can quickly make work areas unsafe. What looked like a minor housekeeping issue yesterday can become a serious slip hazard today. During monsoon, housekeeping becomes much more than a cleanliness activity. It becomes a safety control. Hidden risk. 3. Electrical hazards. Water and electricity rarely forgive mistakes. A leaking roof above an electrical panel, damaged cable insulation, temporary wiring exposed to moisture. These hidden conditions can increase the risk of short circuits, equipment failures, electric shocks, and even fires. Electrical safety inspections become even more important during monsoon. Hidden risk. 4. Slips, trips, and falls. One of the most common monsoon incidents is also one of the easiest to prevent. Wet floors, slippery staircases, water accumulation near entrances. Small hazards can quickly lead to injuries that affect both workers and operations. Simple preventive measures can make a significant difference. Hidden risk. 5. Vehicle movement risks. Rain changes driving conditions faster than many drivers realize. Visibility drops, braking distances increase, tire grip reduces. Even familiar routes can become more dangerous during monsoon. This is why defensive driving and speed management become critical during the rainy season. Hidden risk. 6. Roof leaks and structural defects. Many facilities only discover roofing issues after the rain starts. A small leak can damage materials, interrupt operations, and create electrical hazards. What starts as a maintenance issue can quickly become a safety issue. Inspect roofs before monsoon, not during it. Hidden risk. 7. Delayed hazard reporting. Many hazards give warning signs before incidents occur. The problem is that organizations don't always receive those warnings quickly enough. When employees can report hazards immediately, safety teams can act faster. Faster reporting leads to faster corrective action. And faster corrective action helps prevent incidents before they happen. Monsoon safety checklist. Before monsoon arrives, ask yourself, have we inspected our drainage systems? Are electrical installations protected? Are walkways and staircases safe? Are vehicle routes clearly visible? Can employees report hazards quickly? The answers to these questions often determine how safely an organization operates throughout the rainy season. Monsoon doesn't create every workplace hazard. More often, it exposes the ones we failed to address earlier. Identify risks early, take action before the rain does, and make monsoon preparedness an essential part of your workplace safety strategy. Monsoon safety in industries. Hidden risks. workplaces, often ignored during rainy season. Subscribe for more workplace safety insights. Core EHS, your safety partner.